Beneath the sun's first kiss, the Amazon hides a labyrinth made of light and wood. Every leaf is a reservoir holding the lifeblood of a world that never stops thirsting. The air vibrates with a billion wings, a microscopic dance in the pillars of gold. Awake from the shadows, the ocelot prince begins his reign over the tangled heights. His eyes are maps of the jungle plotting a course through the vertical maze. He moves with the grace of a ghost, a master of balance in a world without floors. The blue and gold macaws take to the sky guardians of the turquoise horizon. To look up is to see eternity, where ancient roots touch the very edge of space. Beauty hides a deadly hunger as the pitcher plant waits for its next guest. In this garden of deception, even a stem can breathe and even a leaf can bite. The Wakari's face burns with life, a red mask in a sea of silver and green. This is a world of falling where the gravity of survival pulls at every living soul. Through the narrowest gates of the sky, the macaws fly with the precision of light. At the river's edge, the forest reveals its true colors, a gathering of the vibrant. Even the insects wear armor of art, the harlequin beetle, a masterpiece of the macabre. Adrenaline fuels the flight as we dive into the heart of the hidden waterfalls. From the clouds, the Amazon looks like a single breathing emerald organism. Home is a branch above the abyss where the wind tells stories of far-off lands. Can you see the ghost? The Potu is a statue of bark waiting for the world to pass. When the eyes open, a nightmare awakes, a haunting voice from the spirit world. A silent strike in the sunbeams, the ghost bird claims its prize in a heartbeat. The coati is the jungle's engineer searching the bark for the treasures of the day. Every crack of the wood is a dinner bell in a place where hunger never sleeps. A jewel of poison, the blue dart frog leaps through the humid, heavy air. Thunder rumbles like a giant's heartbeat. The sky is preparing to reclaim the earth. Below the canopy, the ancient caiman waits, watching the world with cold eyes. In the heat of the day, a moment of tenderness, feathers groomed by love and instinct. From the roots to the river, the otter plunges into the dark, cool mystery. Through the eyes of the hunter, every rustle of a leaf is a promise of a kill. The light fades on the floor, but here on top, the golden hour is just beginning. A silver blur in the trees, the Wakari defies the height with every daring leap. Red faces, silver souls, a family bound by the secrets of the high places. The next generation is born in the clouds, learning to hold on before they can walk. Fear is a constant companion, even for the slowest life must move to survive. A slip means the end, but here every branch is a highway to safety. The ocelot finds his piece of predator at rest for now. Looking down is a reminder that the jungle floor is a place of shadows and bones. Gravity is only a suggestion for those who are born to fly without wings. Wisdom is etched in his face. The elder Capuchin has seen 1,000 suns set. He uses the stones of the earth to break open the treasures of the trees. We move through the green tunnel where every vine is a path or a trap. A challenge to the heavens, the Wakari's scream echoes through the endless green. Far below, the water dwellers rest in the shadows of the giant's roots. The bridge of life is made of Vinesa highway for the hungry and the brave. The Morpho's wing is a mirror reflecting a sky it was born to conquer. Nature's oddities, a gallery of the strange, and the beautiful and the deadly. A cold drink from a wooden cup the jungle provides for every thirst. The pygmy owl sees a tiny sentinel guarding the gates of the afternoon. A million legs own mind the army ants march toward their next conquest. In the canopy, war and peace are separated by a single ripe fruit. The harlequin beetle takes flight, a painted warrior in the humid air. Deception is the best defense, a caterpillar wearing the face of a serpent. The ocelot leaps a golden arc of power landing with silent precision. The woolly monkey whistles to the wind song of belonging in the high places. Magic exists here, a lizard that runs on water, escaping the jaws of the dark. Speed meets shadow as the falcon claims the night from the air. A sting like a bullet, a warning to all who dare to touch the bark. The river is a vein of life, pumping the mud and the magic through the heart. A tiny hunter with a deadly mission, the wasp searches for its host. Nests hang like lanterns, holding the voices of 1,000 new beginnings. The predator becomes the prey in a world where size does not always matter. The Wakari breaks the shell, claiming the sweetness hidden within the stone. A transparent heart beating in the palm of a leaf, the magic of the glass frog. 100 legs in the dark, the centipede moves like a nightmare through the nest. The forest holds its breath as the transition begins from light to dark. The sky bleeds violette as the day dwellers retreat to their hidden sanctuaries. The ocelot moves into the shadows. His time has finally come. The macaws dream of blue skies as the cold of the night begins to settle. The corpse flower blooms, an invitation to the dark ascent of the earth. A black cat in a black world, the jaguarundi prowls the vertical corridors. A rainbow born of moonlight, a rare blessing for the spirits of the Amazon. The moon rises like a giant's eye watching over the empire of silence. The stars reflect in the Rivera Bridge between the earth and the cosmos. The Potu remains a guardian of wood, a ghost of the Amazonian night. The labyrinth closes, but the soul of the Amazon will beat forever.